Okay guys, I'm back today with some engine prep. We're gonna go ahead and move my trans around because like I said, the point of taking this engine out, besides me getting a Coyote swap, was to put it in the SN95. So I gotta unbolt this trans because this is the automatic trans, and we're gonna bolt on the stick shift trans. Also, like I said, besides me doing the swapperoo, we're gonna put a little bit of nitrous to it, so I'm super excited about that. I did get a package in the mail. My clutch is in here, so we're gonna open that up and look at it. But yeah, super simple. Let's get into it. Starting with just taking off my trans, but I'm very excited to see what difference the cars do because my Notch ran a faster time than the best time that the SN95 ran, and that was with no nitrous or nothing. So I'm excited to see if it makes a little bit of a difference, to see what it does. And also, once I get everything together, y'all can come out and we can race, but don't come out with no crazy horsepower. Don't come out trying to run me with 1,000 horsepower, big turbo. No, none of that. Give me something fair to run. Like I know last time in the SN95, like we was eating Hemis up. Challengers, Chargers, all them heavy cars. Yeah. It'd be so funny when people be like, Mopar, no car. But baby, I was giving it to the Mopars. I was giving it to them. I know, and I think another reason why it's so bittersweet to me is because the Notch is really the first car that I put together like 100% by myself, like from start to finish. On the first day we got it, took the engine out and put on a turbo, took the turbo off, swapped the engine again. Like, it's been a work in progress. And for all of the new people on my channel and page, y'all can go back and you can see basically all the steps of where it started, me going to go get the car, all that. Because a lot of times people just jump in the middle of my video and they be like, what are you talking about? But if you do your research and you go back, you can follow the whole storyline. And for y'all always talking about my power tools, sometimes it be taking me a minute to find the right socket to fit, so it just be easier to grab something else and do it that way. But yeah, I'm trying to get into the power tools because it is quicker. I give it to you. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the converter off. A lot of y'all asked what converter I had. As you can see, it's a TCT P18 HDPS converter. It was a 3000 converter, but on a foot brake only stalled up to about 2 to 2500. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Like I was saying, y'all, if you around like 400 horsepower and Come outside. Call me out. We can have a good time. So y'all, look at the damage on my flywheel. All that. And when driving my car, you could hear it scraping. We had looked under the car one time and seen that it was scraping. You could see on the plate too where it was at, but it was making just like a metal noise. So that's what was going on, all that wear and tear. I don't think it's too big of a deal, but yeah. Y'all see, like, look at, I don't know if y'all can tell from the side, but it's definitely wearing and tearing.